Hi, I'm Jain from Cell Universe Group. So what is Cell Universe? Cell Universe is a software designed to track individual cells and their lineage throughout a video. It can help researchers and scientists in the field of biotechnology increase their productivity and speed up the process of collecting cell data. Now the team is led by Professor Hayes, and the current group members include Fred, Tim, Chen, me, and Eric. Why we need to track the cells? In biology and medicine industry, cell tracking has widespread applications like drug development and testing, developmental biology, cancer research, and so on. Now, cell tracking job is mostly done by humans, but manually labeling and tracking cells is tedious and very time-consuming. Also, humans cannot avoid making mistakes during this process. There are some existing algorithms in the market, but they behave poorly due to the significant noise in the images, and they can't keep track of lineage information very well.
So we are in a situation where we need a more effective solution, an algorithm that can precisely track cells while also maintaining the essential cell lineage information. This is where Cell Universe comes in. Cell Universe was designed with the field of biology in mind, but its utility extended to any project in the realm of cell research. Whether you are a biology student assisting with research, a scientist looking to analyze data more quickly, Cell Universe is a tool for you. The goal of Cell Universe is to help researchers automate the process of labeling and tracking cells. It should also be able to maintain a lineage tree for every cell in the video. Our final goal is to make Cell Universe become the tool that meant to be integrated into the research process to speed up the data collection of cells.
So why is it better than existing algorithms? Cell Universe leverages constraints on actions for what a physical cell can do, which means that a physical cell could do things such as move slightly or just rotate or maybe even split. But currently, computer vision algorithms don't do that because they use detections, and detections, although are can be more generalized because they search for things that are similar. It doesn't give the same performance because with our simulation-based cell tracking, we are able to correctly find which individual cell has moved, and by doing that, we we get better results. Another thing that Cell Universe does is provides a lineage for, and this lineage information can help explain where a cell originated from before a split. This means that while looking at different cell information, you could figure out where the cell came from, which cell it split from, and even the grandparents or further beyond uh, the different ancestors that the cell came from. And most of current algorithms today can only do tracking, but Cell Universe provides this information knowing that it's going to be used by researchers or biologists who need this kind of cell information. And if you think about doing this manually, because cells grow exponentially, eventually it's going to be really hard to keep track of which cell is dividing throughout which frames of the video. And just having this information is super useful. Uh, so Universe is also a free to use software. So instead of buying a hardware that costs upwards of thousands of dollars, so Universe can pretty much do the same thing, but for free. So that's always nice. The current milestones that Cell Universe has is that we can take any 2D cell videos and create labels as well as a lineage for it. Currently, we're working on 3D cell video implementations, and eventually we want to make a better UI and have front-end integrations. Here's a quick demo of what a cell tracking would look like using a video that we found on YouTube. And here you could see on the left-hand side is the original video, and on the right-hand side is our labeled cell universe output. And here's also a lineage tree for that demo. As you can see, there's different branches of where a cell came from. And if you hover over them, currently can't do that, but if you take a look at the repo, you are able to hover over them and figure out which cell divided from which. And how is this project being funded currently? It's being funded by Professor Wayne B. Hayes. And thank you for listening. If you want to find out more information, the Cell Universe GitHub repo is in this link, and we also have a published paper. Thank you.